Good morning, guys. So today I'm gonna unbox my wax warmer from Black Coral Wax. This is my second pot. I do have one more downstairs, but since it's brand new, I want to share this with you guys. It is one of my favorite wax pots. This is great for professional use, and it is a 5-pound warmer. And then we're gonna go ahead and open it up real quick, and then we're gonna put in some of their wax. Alrighty, so if any of you estheticians, SDs, wax specialists are looking for a great wax pot, this is the one to get. Alrighty. And it's pretty affordable. Some of these wax pots can go for like $300. I'll leave their website down below. I'm not sure what the price is at this moment, but this is a really good wax pot. And if you're doing a lot of body waxing, you don't even have to refill your pot, you know. So if you're doing body waxing in your salon, don't get the small wax pot because it's like really humbug to have to fill up the pot a lot. Okay, so see how big this pot, and they do sell pots like these in case you just want to switch it off, and you know, so that's good too. So the one downstairs, I do have this wax in there. This is the Black Coral, the black wax. So I've been using this for, I want to say, at least 4 years now, professionally. Okay. So I have videos with the ones that are good for home use, and this video is for the one that's good for professional use. Okay. And then it just has the dial here, and then the on button. Okay. So that was my unboxing for the Black Coral wax pot. That is the Maemae wax, and that is the white Black Coral wax. This is great for professional use. So I'm gonna fill this pot with that. And then they did give me some complimentary wax sticks. Black Coral. Okay. Alrighty. So it's good to be on their mailing list. So they can email you all the specials and stuff. I'll link all that down below. I want to say this is about 11 pounds. Maybe it's supposed to be 6 bags or 5 bags, but it should be 11 pounds. That's pretty decent amount of wax. Oh, is there a puka? Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put some of that into here, and then put some of that into my container. Don't judge me, guys. Okay, don't judge. This is all the container I have right now because usually I have it in smaller bags. But since I went to the warehouse, they gave me a big bag. Alrighty, guys, so let me scoop some of that in there and then scoop some of that into my wax pot. For the Maemae wax, it's hyperallergenic. It's rosin and beeswax free. It is also vegan, and it's gentle on sensitive skin. This is a wax that can be used all over your body, and it is a slow drying wax, and it is flexible, and it does have a coconut and shea butter scent, and it does have a slightly higher melting temperature than the other Black Coral wax. Okay, so it is melting a bit. We'll come back when it's fully melted. Alrighty, guys, look at this. It's so clear. You know what's satisfying is when you pull that wax strip and you can see every single hair. That is so satisfying. Okay, so next time I gotta get the spatula. I do have wooden sticks, but they're downstairs, the big one. I don't want to use that right now. Oh, look at that. Okay, so I'm just gonna test it on my arm real quick. Alrighty, guys, so look at how clear it is. Mmm. This one can apply thinly. Oh, look at that. Okay, we're gonna let that dry. It's already dried. That is kind of quick. You said it was still drying, but that was pretty fast dry. Okay. Ooh, let's see. Let's see. It's really fine, thin hairs. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can see it. Awesome. Alrighty, guys, that was really a nice pull. Alrighty, guys. I hope you all enjoyed my video. You guys take care. God bless. And this is one of my favorite waxing companies. Is Black Coral Wax. Alrighty, see you guys all in my next video. Bye.